As the world market leader in explosion protection, we develop hardware and software solutions for mobile workers and hazardous areas. Our goal is to enhance our customers' efficiency as well as the safety of their facilities and employees. We educate our clients and make sure they keep up with proper hardware maintenance. In the Technology Center, we make sure devices are up to date and that it passes classification inspection and it works reliable and efficiently. We diagnose, repair, calibrate, and upgrade devices. Having a certified technician for service and maintenance running the correct tests increases the product's life cycle, keeping them extremely safe and reducing the wait time on repairs. Maintenance is key to keeping the devices extremely safe. One recommendation who use extremely safe devices, follow the manual and maintenance of the device. And in case of more technical issues, always reach out to a certified technician. You might avoid future headaches, delays, and further expenses.